Welcome to the QuMind Academy video tutorial for creating bespoke dashboards. In order to do this, please move to the left-hand side menu, click on the Analytics drop-down. Select Dashboards from the menu. You will then be presented with a screen of all previous dashboards that you may have created, and in the top right you will have an option called Add Dashboard. Click on this option. This will open up a new screen where we can build a bespoke dashboard. First of all, it is a good idea to give your dashboard a name. And then below you will see a few options. Always remember to save your work. First of all, we need to select the survey from which the data will come to build our dashboard. In this case, we will select a test project. As we select the survey, all available data points will appear below in the list. An example would be data you've collected in your survey for gender, age, region, etc. To begin building your dashboard, you have several options underneath Elements. Heading, which gives you a heading to sections of your dashboard. A tabbed section where you can group several dashboards together. Columns, where you can decide on the layout of your dashboard and how data will be displayed. And static text, which will enable you to type in any text, key insights, add images and or even video. To begin with, in this example, we will create a tabbed section. In this section, we are going to call it demographics, so we can group all our demographic questions together. We will then move on to deciding on the layout of our demographics tab using the columns option. Click, drag and drop into the tab area, and then you can see here we have a few options presented. The first given ability is 2 columns. We can, however, increase the number of columns simply by clicking on the up and down button. To begin with, we will have 3 columns, and we will start creating our bespoke dashboard. To begin with, we will add gender. Go to the questions list, click, drag and drop gender into the orange box area within the column which we've created. As you drag and drop, you will see the data will begin to populate on the screen. We will now move on to another question, in this case age, and we will drag and drop age into the middle column. We will finish off by dragging and dropping a static text option, and you can see we have this ability to add in insight data. This could be your analysis of the results being displayed in the dashboard, or perhaps a simple explanation of what the dashboard is about. The static text option gives us the ability to add images and even video upload or YouTube. The ability to add images will enable you to perhaps display materials which were tested in this particular survey and allow you to display that tested material alongside the results. You are able to resize images very easily by simply selecting the images we just did on the screen and changing the different dimensions. In this example, we've made the image slightly larger to fit in. We can continue building our bespoke dashboard by simply adding in more sections and more options. If I drag and drop columns, so click, drag and drop into available areas with an orange box, and this time I decide to do just 2 columns. I can then scan through all the available data points in my survey and drag and drop them into the relevant boxes within my new columns. You will see that in the dashboard, word clouds are generated automatically from any open-ended questions within your survey. As you drag and drop them in, the word cloud will be shown on screen. Always make sure you save your dashboards. Each change you make needs to be saved in order to ensure it is there when you return. Just like the top line dashboards, these dashboards can be shared by clicking on Link, Enable Public View, Save, Copy link to clipboard. This URL can then be shared with stakeholders. To access your dashboard after creating it, you can always find it by going into Analytics and clicking Dashboards. And you'll see our dashboard is now appearing at the top, where we can return to edit at a later date, or we can preview.